Hello students, welcome back. So we are doing chapter 20, page number 277 from West Bengal Board of Secondary Education, class 10th book Ganit Prakash, okay? And we have already completed till question number 10 in our previous video. So today we'll start right from question number 11. So let's begin. This is question number 11. I have drawn an isosceles triangle ABC whose included angle of two equal sides is angle ABC equals to 45 degree. Okay, the bisector of angle ABC intersects the side AC at the point D. Let us determine the circular values of angle ABD, angle BAD, angle CBD, and angle BCD. So let us do this question. So we have an isosceles triangle, isn't it? And we know isosceles triangle has two equal sides. So let us assume this is an isosceles triangle having these two sides are equal to each other, okay? And included angle of two equal side is angle ABC, which is given 45 degrees, isn't it? Let's read this again. Included angle of two equal sides. So this two equal sides, included angle is this, isn't it? Is angle ABC, B is in the middle, so this should be B, okay? If this is B, then obviously this should be C, this should be A, B, C, okay? Angle B is 45 degree, this is 45 degree. Equal sides containing angle means this angle B is 45 degree. The bisector of angle ABC intersects the side AC at the point D, which means bisector means bisector of angle B. Okay, this is the bisector line. This bisector line meets the side AC at the point D. This is given to us. Now first, let us understand the word bisect in geometry. Okay, bisect means to divide equally. To divide equally. The word bisect means to divide equally. Okay, suppose if I have a 10 centimeter long straight line, okay, if I bisect this line means if I divide this line into two equal parts, this part will be 5 centimeter, this side will be 5 centimeter. Okay, if I have an angle measuring 60 degree, okay, the measurement of this angle is 60 degree, and if I bisect this angle, okay, this angle will be divided into two equal parts, 30 degree and 30 degree. Okay, 30 plus 30 will give us 60, 5 plus 5 will give us 10 centimeter. The word bisect means to divide equally into two parts. Okay, I hope you got the term bisect. Now let us proceed to solve this question. So we are asked to find the values, circular values of the angles ABD, angle BAD, angle CBD, and angle BCD, isn't it? So ABD means ABD. First, let us write the given condition. What is given to us? Given angle ABC, the total angle B is 45 degrees, isn't it? ABC, the total angle is 45 degree. Angle ABC equal to 45 degree. This is given to us. Now we are asked to find the circular values of angle ABD, this part, okay, this angle, and angle CBD, this angle, okay, and angle BAD, this angle, and BCD, this angle. 1, 2, 3, and 4 angles. Okay, first let us understand this BD is the bisector of angle B. Bisect means this angle B is divided into two equal parts. So if this is 45 degree, angle B is 45 degree, this part will be 45 upon 2, half of 45, isn't it? And this part CBD will be 45 upon 2, half of 45. So let me write that. Since angle ABD equal to angle CBD, isn't it? Angle CBD equal to half of angle ABC. Okay, so this gives us half of means into angle ABC is given to us 45 degree. Okay, or 1 into 45 is 45 upon, in the denominator we have 2. So this is the sexagesimal value of this angle and this angle, isn't it? Angle ABD and angle CBD, because both of these angles are equal. Okay, angle B is bisected, means angle B is divided into two equal parts, ABD and CBD. Okay, so let us find the circular value of this angle. Therefore, circular value of angle ABD, let me write ABD first. Okay, ABD equal to 45 upon 2. ABD is 45 upon 2, isn't it? So 45 upon 2, 45 upon 2 into, when I wish to convert sexagesimal value to circular value, what I need to do is multiply by pi by 180, isn't it? So this is 9 5s are 45. Okay, 9 2s are 18, 9 0s are 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, isn't it? So in the numerator we have 1 into pi, that is pi, and in the denominator 2 into 4 is 8. We know that angle ABD and angle CBD are equal to each other. So if the value of angle ABD is pi by 8, the value of angle CBD will also be pi by 8, isn't it? Therefore, the circular value of angle CBD is also equal to pi by 8. Okay, the circular value of angle ABD is pi by 8 and the circular value of angle CBD is also pi by 8. So we got the circular value 45 by 2 means pi by 8. Okay, this is pi by 8, pi by 8, and this is also pi by 8. Now let us find the circular values of this angle and this angle. First, let us understand one property of isosceles triangle. Suppose this is an isosceles triangle and these two sides are equal to each other. Okay, then the base angles, these two angles, will also be equal to each other. If these two sides are equal, then their base angles will also be equal. Suppose this is another isosceles triangle, and in this case, if these two sides are equal to each other, then we must understand this base angle will also be equal to each other. Okay, so this side BC and AB, okay, BA and BC are equal to each other. These two sides are equal, which means this angle and this angle, base angle, will also be equal to each other, isn't it? So let us find the circular value of this angle. First, since angle BAD, this angle, okay, BAD equal to angle BCD, isn't it? This angle BCD, because this is an isosceles triangle, equal to x. Say, I'm assuming the value of this angle is x degree and the value of this angle is also x degree. Okay, sexagesimal value. Now we know that sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees, isn't it? Since we know that if I add angle BAD, this angle BAD plus angle BCD, this angle, okay, BCD plus angle ABC, the total angle, okay, angle B, ABC plus angle ABC will give us 180 degrees, isn't it? If we add all the angles of a triangle, we get 180 degree. So angle BAD is x, we assumed, plus angle BCD is also x, isn't it? Plus angle ABC is given to us. Angle ABC is 45 degree. Okay, this is 45 degree equal to 180 degree, or x plus x will give us 2x, isn't it? Let us take this plus 45 to the right hand side. 180 minus this plus 45 becomes minus 45, or x equal to 180 minus 45 is 135, isn't it? 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, this becomes 7. 7 minus 4 is 3, and this is 1. So we take this 2 to the denominator in the right hand side by cross multiplication. So we got the value of x. X is 135 upon 2 degrees. Okay, the value of this angle BAD is x and BCD is also x. So the x is 135 upon 2 degrees, isn't it? Now let us write the circular values of this angle BAD and angle BCD. Okay, therefore circular value of angle BAD, let me write here, angle BAD equal to 135 upon 2 into pi by 180, isn't it? So this is 9 ones are 9 plus 4 is 13. This becomes 45. 9 5s are 45. 9 2s are 18. 9 0s are 0. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20, isn't it? So 3 into pi in the numerator, that is 3 pi, and in the denominator 2 4s are 8. So we got the circular value of angle BAD. Circular value of angle BAD is 3 pi by 8, isn't it? 3 pi by 8. Which means angle BCD is also equal to this angle. So angle BCD is also 3 pi by 8, isn't it? Angle BCD is also 3 pi by 8. Okay, let me write that. And angle circular value, okay, circular value of angle BCD is also 3 pi by 8. I hope you got this. Now let us move on to the next question. Okay, now let us do question number 12. The BC of the equilateral triangle ABC is extended up to the point E so that CE equals to BC. By joining A and E, let us determine the circular values of the angles of triangle ACE. Okay, so let's draw the diagram first. So we have an equilateral triangle, isn't it? Equilateral triangle ABC. Okay, so this is an equilateral triangle, and we know that equilateral triangle has all three sides equal. This side, and this side. All of these three sides are equal to each other. Okay, the base BC means the base of this triangle is this, isn't it? So this is BC. Base is BC. Okay, if this is BC, then this should obviously be A, isn't it? Because this is triangle ABC. BC base is extended up to the point E. This base BC is extended up to the point E. Suppose this is E. Okay, and CE and BC are equal to each other. So this is CE, this is BC, this is CE, okay, and this is BC. These two sides are equal to each other. Okay, CE and BC are equal to each other. A and E are joined by joining AE, means A and E are joined. These two points are joined. Let us determine the circular values of triangle AC. Okay, so we are asked to find the circular values of all the angles of triangle ACE. ACE, we can see a new triangle, isn't it? So we are asked to find the circular value of this angle, circular value of this angle, and circular value of this angle. Okay, so before we proceed to solve this question, let us understand one property of equilateral triangle. Okay, this is an equilateral triangle. Suppose this is an equilateral triangle, which means all of these sides are equal to each other, isn't it? So this angle, and this angle will also be equal to each other. If this is theta, then this angle will also be theta, and this angle will also be theta. Okay, if this is x, this angle will also be x, and this angle will also be x. Okay, so when we add all the angles of a triangle, we must get 180 degree, isn't it? So theta plus theta plus theta, all the angles are equal to each other, will give us 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. So theta plus theta plus theta gives us 3 theta equal to 180, or theta equals to 180 upon this 3 goes to the denominator. 3 1 the 3, 3 6 18, 3 0 0, which means each angle of an equilateral triangle is always 60 degree. Okay, we must understand each angle of an equilateral triangle is always 60 degree. So if this is an equilateral triangle, this angle will be 60 degree. Okay, this angle will be 60 degree and this angle will be 60 degree. No matter how big or how small the triangle is, if this is an equilateral triangle, small triangle, isn't it? 60 60 60. If this is another equilateral triangle, if all sides are equal, okay, equilateral triangle means if all sides are equal, then this is 60, this is 60, and this is also 60. I hope you got this. Each angle of an equilateral triangle is always 60 degree. Okay, now let us proceed to solve this question. So we know this angle is 60 degree, isn't it? ACB is 60 degree, ABC is also 60 degree. Okay, this is also 60 degree, and BAC or CAB, this angle is also 60 degree. Okay, all of these angles are 60 60 and 60. First, we know that straight line, okay, suppose this is B, this is C, this is E. Straight line is always 180 degree, isn't it? Straight line is always 180 degree. Okay, so the total angle is 180 degree from this point to this point. Total angle is 180 degree. If this portion is 60 degree, what will be the value of this portion? 180 minus 60 will give us 120 degrees, isn't it? The total angle is 180 degree and this is 60 degree, means the other part is obviously 120. So let us find that angle. Okay, since angle ACE equal to 180 minus angle ACB, isn't it? So 180 minus angle ACB is an angle of equilateral triangle, so this is 60 degree. So 180 minus 60 is 120. 0 minus 0 is 0, 8 minus 6 is 2, and this is 120 degree. This is 120 degree. Okay, now another point is this side and this side are equal. Okay, and this side is equal to this side. Okay, because BC is one side of an equilateral triangle and AC is the other side. So BC and AC are equal, which means CE and AC will also be equal to each other. If these two sides are equal, this becomes an isosceles triangle having two sides equal, isn't it? Which means their base angle will also be equal. So since CE equal to, you can write AC. Okay, CE and AC are equal to each other. Therefore, triangle ACE is an isosceles triangle. Okay, if this is an isosceles triangle, then their base angles will also be equal. Base angles, this angle and this angle will also be equal. If these two sides are equal, okay, their base angle will also be equal. So angle CEA equal to angle CAE. Okay? Angle CEA and angle CAE. This angle is CEA. E is in the middle. CAE means this angle. Angle CEA and CAE equal to X. Say, let us suppose angle CEA is x degree and angle CAE is also x degree, because these two are the base angles of isosceles triangle and base angles will be equal to each other. Okay, now since sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, isn't it? So angle CEA plus angle CAE, okay, CEA plus CAE, these two angles plus this angle ACE, isn't it? Plus angle ACE. If you add all the three angles of a triangle, we must get 180 degree. Or CEA we have already assumed as x, plus CAE is also x, plus ACE is 120 given to us. Angle ACE is 120. Okay, this will give us 180 degree. Or x plus x is 2x equal to 180 minus plus 120 goes to the right hand side, becomes minus 120 degree. Or x equal to 180 minus 120, 60, isn't it? 0 minus 0 is 0, 8 minus 2 is 6. This 2 will go to the denominator by cross multiplication. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 0 is 0. Or x equal to 30 degree. So we got the value of this angle is 30 degree. Value of this angle is 30 degree, isn't it? 30 plus 30 plus 120 will give us 180. Okay, therefore circular values, we are asked to find the circular values, isn't it? Circular values of, let me write value, okay? Circular value of angle ACE. First let me write this, angle ACE equal to 120, this is 120, into pi by 180. So this 0 and this 0 will cancel. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So 2 into pi is 2 pi upon 3 in the denominator. So circular value of this angle, okay, circular value of angle CEA equal to 30, isn't it? So 30 into pi by 180. So this is 0, 0 cancels out each other, 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. 1 into pi is pi and in the denominator 6. So we got the value of angle CEA, that is 30 degree, which means pi by 6. Similarly, the value of angle CAE is also 30 degree. So circular value of angle CAE is also pi by 6. Okay, and circular value of angle CAE equals to pi by 6. So we are asked to find the circular values of all the angles of triangle ACE, this part of the triangle, okay, another triangle. The circular values of this circular values of the angles of this triangle AC is 2 pi by 3, pi by 6 and pi by 6. I hope you got this. Now let us move on to the next question. Okay, now let us do question number 13. If the measures of three angles of a quadrilateral are pi by 3, 5 pi by 6 and 90 degree respectively, then let us determine and write the sexagesimal and circular values of the fourth angle. Okay, so what is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means any plane figure having four sides. Okay, so this is a quadrilateral, 1 2 3 and 4 side. Okay, so this is another quadrilateral, 1 2 3 4. This is another quadrilateral, 1 2 3 4. Any plane figure having four sides is known as quadrilateral. The specific name for this quadrilateral is rectangle. The specific name for this quadrilateral is square. This is parallelogram, similarly rhombus, trapezium, etc. and etc. Okay. Any plane figure having four sides is known as quadrilateral. So the point is, this angle is 90 degree in rectangle, isn't it? This angle is also 90 degree, this angle is also 90 degree, and this angle is also 90 degree. When we add all the angles of rectangle, we get 90 into 4. 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 means 90 into 4, isn't it? So this will give us 360 degree. Similarly, in case of a square, okay, similarly in case of parallelogram. So basically what do I mean by this is, when we add all the angles, sum of all the angles, okay, in case of parallelogram, this angle is not 90 degree like in rectangle and square. This angle is not 90 degree, but if we add all the angles, we will get 360 degree. Okay, sum of all the angles of any quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. I hope you got this. Okay, like sum of all the angles of a triangle gives us 180 degree. Similarly, sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral gives us 360 degree. Okay, so we are provided with three angles, 1, 2 and 3, isn't it? So we are asked to find the value of the fourth angle. Okay, so this means pi by 3 plus 5 pi by 6 plus 90 plus, let the fourth angle be theta. Okay, let me write here, let the fourth angle be theta. Fourth angle equal to theta. Okay, let the fourth angle equal to theta, which means this angle first, second, third plus fourth. When we add all the angles of a quadrilateral, we get 360 degree, isn't it? 360 degree. Sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. These two are in circular values and these are in sexagesimal. So let us convert the circular values to sexagesimal first. Okay, or pi by 3 into, when we want to convert circular value to sexagesimal value, what we do is we multiply by 180 upon pi plus 5 pi by 6 into 180 upon pi plus 90 plus theta equal to 360 degree. This pi and this pi cancels out. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 zeros are 0. Pi and pi cancels out. 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18, 6 zeros are 0. Okay, so this is 60, isn't it? Everything is cancelled. 60 degree remains here. Plus this 5 into 30. 5 into 30 is 150 degrees, isn't it? Plus 90 plus theta equal to 360 degree. Or 60 plus 90 gives us 150. 60 plus 90 is 150. 150 plus 150 is 300. Okay, 300 plus, when we add all these three angles, we get 300 degrees plus this theta equal to 360 degree. Or theta equal to, let us take this 300 to the right hand side, 360 minus 300, isn't it? Or theta equal to 360 minus 300 is 60 degree. So we got the sexagesimal value of the fourth angle, that is 60 degree, isn't it? Theta is the sexagesimal value of the fourth angle, that is 60 degree. Fourth angle is theta, isn't it? Therefore, sexagesimal value of the fourth angle equal to 60 degree. And circular, we are asked to find the sexagesimal and circular value. Circular value of the fourth angle equal to 60, this is sexagesimal, into pi by 180. So 6 1s are 6, 6 0s are 0, 6 3s are 18, 6 0 0, this 0 and this 0 cancels out. So 1 into pi is pi, and in the denominator 3. Okay, so pi by 3 radian. So I hope you got this. This was for today. Thank you so much. Stay connected. I'll upload the rest of the questions in the next video.